G'day riders, this is Mr. Kiwi Rider. Today I want to talk to you about something a little tender. More specifically, this little tender. If you've been asking yourself whether you should get a battery tender for your Harley-Davidson motorcycle, the short answer is yes. The longer answer is definitely yes. And if you have a security system attached to your motorcycle, most definitely yes. This battery tender cost around $100 New Zealand. It's been a lifesaver on so many occasions. When I got my bike, I didn't own one of these, but because I was riding so much, riding every week, the battery didn't get a chance to run down. So if you ride your bike at least once every 7 days, your bike's going to be fine for a while. But if you don't go riding for a couple of weeks maybe, you might find that you come to your bike, especially with an alarm system installed, and the battery's flat. And that's exactly what happened to me. I was a noob and I learnt the hard way. My battery just ran flat. Now, with a security system on your bike, which my bike has, a certain percentage of the battery gets run down every day, and even if that's 5%, 20 days to run it down flat. I don't imagine it's as high as that, but it's running down every day that you don't have it plugged into a tender. The great thing about them, you can leave them plugged in and charging, because the battery tender has special safeguards that won't allow overcharging. The Harley-Davidson battery tender comes with all sorts of accessories so that you can just charge straight to a battery. I use the pigtail adapter and just plug that into the pigtail on my bike. I won't go into all the features, you can just read the manual. Suffice to say, I've even used it to charge a car battery so I could start the thing. So should you get a battery tender for your Harley-Davidson motorcycle? In short, yes. In long, heck yes.